Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 6911. It's ran from the 8th 2012 to the 12th 2018. It has a F9QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a F9QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door missing door mould, right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight needs polish, right front 17-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lip, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,